Welcome back to another dev blog. Let's get to the horrible news first. The awards mod, as you can see, has been removed. That was one of the things I took out trying to cut down on some of the lag. And the other horrible news, if we go over and look at the whatever you want to call this and go to the blocks, we only have 1,643 entries now instead of the close to 20,000 that there used to be. I did both of these changes trying to negate some of the lag issues we were having, which I don't know if they even helped. But every single block from more blocks, so I think there's 32 different styles of block. Every single material was listed in here 32 times. All of the tombstones were listed in here. All of the walls for my landscaping were listed in here. So essentially there was close to 20,000 entries. So I changed a whole bunch so they don't show up. So hopefully that helps things. Also, if you click on one of these little podiums with the encyclopedia, you will get all of the entries revealed to you. Whereas if you use the encyclopedia, there we go. If you have the encyclopedia, you'll only see ones that you've discovered, I guess. Of course, if you've used this, then you can use the encyclopedia and you'll still get all of them. But basically, when I was trying to help with the lag issues, I found that every time a player was leaving, the modpack was writing player data of every item they had discovered. And sometimes that was like 6 seconds worth of file writing, which seems really long. So I decided I would remove a whole bunch and I would make it that they're all exposed so that theoretically there's nothing to save. Because as soon as somebody clicks on this and has everything exposed and then they leave the game, all the data is saved. And then there's nothing to save the next time that they join because they can't discover any new items. Is the theory. Whether or not that works, I have no idea. Let's see here. Where is it? Here we go. Cartography mod is added back. And we seem to be doing okay. Let's see. Looks like the only other change mod-wise is the delicious letters. So this is a temporary texture. This will probably stay the recipe. I'm not 100% sure. But it makes this letter shop thing. Sign shop, I guess. Oh, that's why that pulled up weird. We want to do letters. So you have all the letters of the alphabet, of course. And you make it and it takes coins. Ooh, and somebody's been using some of these coins. So say you want to spell out, oh, I don't know, epic. You just put your stack of coins in here and then click on the letters you need and they are put to your inventory. I'm not sure what happens if you run out of inventory slots. Let's try an H. Okay, so if you don't have inventory space for it, nothing happens. Cool. That's epic, actually. Because I wouldn't want people wasting their hard-earned coins. This will hold 1,000 coins too. And that is available. Anybody can take the coins out of there. So, you know, be careful on those coins because people might just steal your coins. And if you just heard that little notification beep from Discord, apologies. I forgot to turn it to invisible. Oops. And you know, actually I'll throw this one away. The letters here can be placed. Let me just dig this M up real quick. There we go. They're wall mounted, so you can place them on the different walls, and they will rotate accordingly, as we see here, here, and here. They do weird things if you put them on the floor. Actually, I think they just always go the same direction. Yep, they always face the same direction on the floor. They're not meant to go on the floor. They're meant to be on walls. And then there's 32 colors, and you just punch them to advance forwards, and then you right-click to go backwards. So you can, you can get your 32 different colors, and then when you dig it, the color does change. So you have to reverse it. So like it was red, I dig it, I get a purple one, so I have to turn it back to red. That's just what happens because it uses a on punch callback to advance the color forwards, and an on right click callback to advance the color backwards. And when you dig something, an on punch is called for the first punch of your digging. So that's just an unfortunate little tidbit. But we have that. I've put it in. I don't know if anybody else has used any of these yet. If we go to the post office, I think that looks really nice. This baked clay actually sticks in its slabs, which I didn't realize initially. So these are kind of just floating underneath the edge, but I think that's all right. And then I built the boar's head in. There is no apostrophe, so yeah, can't do that. But the boar's head in, it's just a nice little place to go hang out after you've been exploring. I got beds in it, so people can sleep here. We've got a nice little upstairs with some more seating available. Nice view of the fire down there, which you can't jump over if you want. A nice little fireplace here. I kind of just wanted to build something, so I did. There's also, I mean, you can run up on the roof if you want, but there's also bedrooms up top. Inventory you can't actually get to because it's a protected area. And I thought I could sit on these. Oh, there we go. Oh, you know what? I think you have to be closer than a certain amount to it, which is kind of weird. Or not. I don't know. But the beds are available for anybody to sleep in. So I have that. Nice little stairway down. I should probably put in some garden or something, but yeah. It was totally not built just so I could put letters on it. It was totally not why I did it. Let's see. We'll just go back to the spawn here. And that is probably it for updates this week. Let me just check real quick. Blah 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 blah. That is it. The new updates for the week. So I should really have kept myself someplace where we could see the letters, because that's the big update. That has been on the to-do list for nearly 2 months, and I finally found a font that I thought was suitable, and finally got the code put together for it. Special thanks to Ruben Wardy, who told me how to make a for loop without having to make a table of all the letters of the alphabet. And what is going on in the sky over there? Interesting. Well, anyways, that's going to wrap it up. If you want to join the server, info is all in the video description as always. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for some new updates, and I will see you then.